Ladies and gentlemen, the secret member of paboracha.
Money,
Ew! It tastes weird! What? Jaki sos muszczący? Ew! Mwah. Yo, what's up dumplings? In today's video, we're back in Dumpling's kitchen. Though this is obviously not Dumpling's kitchen, this is Dumpling's bedroom. Anyway, today I am making SKZOO Cupcakes? Yeah, I'm making cupcakes. For a second I thought I was doing cookies. I'm just using a basic recipe that I'm gonna find on the internet. Obviously I'm gonna include in the description. But yes, I felt like having cupcakes and making them SKZOO themed. We're gonna see if it's gonna be a big fail. I haven't done cupcakes or decorated any in so long, maybe years. Whether if you're a stay or not a stay, I hope you like today's video. And yeah, let's get shopping to get some ingredients. Also, this outfit, if you see me wear it in another video, it is because I love it so much and I feel like not enough people are gonna see it today, so I'm gonna show it off because it's just so simple but so cute. Anyway, let's get into shopping.
사실은 컵케이크 만들면 어떨까 싶은데 케이크인데 조그만 케이크 그래서 조그만 케이크 딱 만들어서 되게 재밌겠다.
If you're wondering what those SKZOOs are, they're right here. Hi, in their beautiful place. And if you're wondering what's happening to our couch, I would like to know as well. I don't know really, but it's SKZOOs, so cute. I just want to squeeze their cheeks, though I can't really do that. I picked the exact time to come out when all the children are coming back from school, so I'm very uncomfortable. There's children everywhere. I'm not uncomfortable because of the children. I'm comfortable because I'm scared not to film them, not to get them on camera. Here is a quick outfit. Oh, almost. This is the outfit. Yay! Check the shoes. Oh no, when the forehead is showing. We don't want her to show. Stay back, stay back. Okay, so I need to get butter. I won't make the same mistake. Last time I got this butter which was smooth like butter but it tasted like nasty. Oh, ew. Add the nasty looking butter. So, which one should we pick? I was initially planning to get one of those and then I saw the price. 60p sounds good though. Baking block, what does that mean? For biscuits and pastry. Sounds good to me. I'll get two of them. I ended up getting one butter because of budgeting issues. Now I have to choose. I'll obviously have white, but I could make Bukhari or Dweki, or should I get this for like little details? I really want to get this. Should I get it? Yes. Or yes? Hold on, and it's already starting to get really dark outside. I don't know if you can tell. Hold on. Because 3 p.m. is sleepy time now. Now I'm gonna go home, give you a hoe, and start baking. Warm. Hey, where are you going? I'm here. Sammy. Hey, Booba Kaksi. Officially in Dumpling's kitchen, except it's something of a night edition because it's so dark outside already. So I got this. I don't know if it's good. We're gonna try it out. Yellow icing, some butter that I've already used, this extra strong food color gel black for the eyes and stuff like that because I couldn't find like the perfect chocolate buttons that would work for eyes. Yeah, we have the SKZOOs right here. As you can tell, there's a new edition from last time. Leave it. Yes, they're in the background. You can watch them as I do things. Today I decided to try a different method when doing the baking, and that is I've already prepared and measured all the ingredients right here because it usually takes me too long to do this while I'm filming, so I'm just gonna go ahead, do all the mixing now, put it in the oven, and then the fun bit is the decorating. I wish I could freely play music without getting copyrighted, but you know. This is the recipe that I'm using. I halved everything because that is too many cupcakes. And here is everything. Look at how tidy and cool it is. So I actually prefer chocolate flavored cupcakes, but I guess we're doing vanilla today because I don't know actually. Okay, I'm just gonna wing everything. Add the butter. Add the sugar. Like butter. Baking powder. Baking soda. A little bit of salt. A little bit of Monica in my life. Vanilla extract now. I mean, not a little bit. And now I'm gonna mix everything that I have put just now, and then I'm gonna add the rest on. Don't worry. I just.
머리 아프다.
See, I was about to say I just hope this doesn't go everywhere. Second attempt, no fear. Okay, I'm definitely this is not good as the right way. Oh, I am so dumb for this. What a disappointment to Felix. I should have just gotten the mixture when I had the chance. This is gonna be much cheaper. Should I try this? No, I think this is the perfect time to add the egg. The last thing I need right now is to get a shell in. Let's hope I don't do that. So I'm gonna. What is happening? Why am I doing this today? I got a shell in. Why? Well, I'm usually really good at this. Like, I am so good at this. I promise. I'm gonna add a little bit of the milk that I had prepared. Please, please don't go everywhere. SKZOOs don't even want to look at me right now. They're just, no, we're not with her. What they do in the video is they add flour, and then they add milk, and then they add flour, and then they add milk. Maybe there's 0 point in me sipping this right now. You can stay, yeah. You can stay, yeah. You can stay, yeah. I am just folding it right now. I just added everything else. Mixed a little bit more. Now I'm using this to mix it. It really doesn't seem like a lot. I sense a disaster coming up.
Yare.
We'll see. So I've just preheated the oven to 180 degrees, and you have to put them in for 20 to 25 minutes. First, I need to find the... Okay, I just watched this time to put the mixture in. This would be much easier if I had like a small spoon. Actually, I do have a small spoon on the side. Something doesn't feel right about this. A lot of things don't feel right about this. Please don't let this be a fail. Maybe I should have went with cookies. Maybe cookies was the right choice, and I'm so dumb.
So you dumb.
Time to put them in for 20 to 25 minutes. I ended up having enough for 8. So it is. Oh, OT8! 8! For OT8. Okay, sorry. Okay, oh, this is gonna fall. This is gonna. Not on my watch. Guess who loves you? Not me. It's I'll let them chill for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna keep watching over them, see if they're a success or a fail. In the meantime, what should we do? I should probably get started on the mixture. I found these, which is frosting, only to realize it ran out 6 months ago. Why do we have icing from 6 months ago? Dad keeps bringing things and he does not fulfill their destiny. Just like me. I don't have powdered sugar, but this is plan B, which is normal sugar, and you just give it a good mix and you give yourself a headache. Looks good to me. This right here is going to be my frosting. Oh, I did not think that. Why do I keep doing this? I just so crazy. For the longest time I was trying to close this sugar thingy with this, and I was like, why is it not working? I wonder why it's not working. The mixture is yellow. It was meant to be white. As you may know, my SKZOOs are white. Clearly too yellow for a white mixture. The plan C to my B is adding an egg white. Hopefully that works. I mean, it's gonna make it fluffier as well. I don't know if you're not supposed to do this. I am desperate and I'm determined to get it right. Okay, plan C. This is the rest of the mixture and leave a little bit just in case it doesn't work out, so I have some white mixture to work with, which is just egg white and sugar. I had sugar. I'm gonna take them out. Let's see. Oh my god, I can't see. I mean, it smells good. Okay, they seem pretty good. Can you see them? I'm gonna let them cool down before I start decorating them with the mixture that, spoiler alert, it didn't work out. So, how should I do this with one hand?
Ladies and gentlemen, the secret member of
Oh my
paboracha.
god. Okay, just don't fall. Okay, I'm gonna start decorating them because I've been wearing jeans all day and I'm starting to get a little annoyed. Don't like a Cinderella, big piano. Okay. Yeah, they've cooled down. This is how they look. Ta-da! Let's hope they taste nice. They look okay. How am I gonna make the ears as well? Because this is so yellow, it could work for Bukhari as well. I did not have to buy yellow icing. But I'm done like that. I don't want to touch it more, so I'm just gonna leave it and I'm gonna add... My sister's gonna try them as well, by the way, don't worry. I really wish you could see how much worse it looks up close. Actually, you can. Okay, let's see. I will do Junior at first. What? Okay. From this to this, I give you look at it. It's kind of cute in its own way. Ooh. Okay, let's keep going. I have the icing and I'm going to try and redeem myself by making Bukhari.
아이싱을 노란색으로 만들어서 이제 병아리를 그려요. 귀엽게 하고 싶은데 그것도 어떨까 싶은 생각이 들어요.
This should be much easier, okay? This should be the one that makes up for all of my other failures. Look at that. Wow. I should have just bought icing. I should have just bought the box of already done mixture and we wouldn't be here right now. But I was like, no, I can do it. And right now I don't even have the patience to try more.
Just like how sweet it is that you're mine. And when you don't hit reply, my heartbeat goes like cosine. 내가 마음에 들면 follow.
It's like one of those disasters that you see on TikTok. Now I don't have anything orange for the nose, so I'm gonna use this peel. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna eat the tangerine after. I just need the nose. This is getting very contemporary art-ish because I am pulling out my sister's ham because I'm desperate to make this look okay. On the freckles are the best thing that I did today, the whole day. This is the best you're gonna get. Lastly, I'm gonna try to do lid before I completely give up. Are you ready to see lid? Ta-da! I don't know if I should cry or laugh. There you go. Ta-da! A happy, beautiful family. That I did not know this was possible. Actually, I thought even if I do bad, it would never be this bad. Usually I'm very good with art, you know. I think Scary Bukhari might have been the best thing. This is what it looks like on the site. I love the tangerine, thank you. Those are my beautiful SKZOO creations. I'm going to reveal them to my sister now so that she could see, judge them, try them, all of it. So let's go see what she says. Hey Sammy. Okay, to the side you can see what SKZOOs, what they're meant to look like.
And to the side, of course, you can see my YouTube channel here, so go and subscribe because Eddie woke me up to try her cupcakes. Oh, they're cute! You managed to make it.
You think they're cute?
Yeah, that actually looks like the Bukhari. Ah, so that's the Bukhari, isn't it?
Yeah, that's Bukhari.
And those are Huskies. And I eat one without the thingy on it.
Why? You don't want some ham or tangerine peel?
That's ham!
That's
And that's ew! I'll try and eat Husky number 2.
You mean Ginny Red?
Ginny Red. That's a lot of sugar.
This took me so many hours, didn't it?
Yeah, I like it. Ew.
Nice. What did you?
Ew! What's that?
What's what? The black?
Yeah.
It's icing I bought from Tesco.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's like the teriyaki sauce or something.
Ew, no.
Exactly. It feels weird.
I think it's... Yeah. Should I try one too? Should I try Bucati? Should I eat the peel as well?
The peel?
The tangerine peel. Should I? I don't mind. Oh no! It's so bad. Yeah, the peel added a lot of tangerine flavor, which I don't mind actually, but the layer of icing is very thick, and I don't particularly like this type of icing.
I think it's really good without. That tastes weird, the black thingy. But the actual cupcakes are nice. If you've made them with the egg whites, only the egg whites, all of them, it would have been really nice.
Do you want to try with this icing?
No, I'm gonna feel sick now.
I want to try one without anything on it.
Yeah, I think those are gonna be better.
It's very nice and crispy.
No, one moment. It's very sweet. It's delicious though.
Oh, wow. Thanks. Just to quickly show you Sammy. He's always like this. It's so adorable. I want to be him. I want to sleep. So I am finally done. It is 6 o'clock. It's very dark outside and I want to change and do nothing for the rest of the day. But yes, thank you so much for watching. This was obviously a fail. It was supposed to be cute SKZOO cupcakes. It didn't work out at all. Next time I recommend definitely not using those liquidy jelly thing that doesn't even taste nice from Dr. Yotker. Dr. Yotker, you disappointed me. Overall, the actual cupcakes, they do taste good. They're very sugary, which is weird because I didn't even put as much sugar as I was supposed to. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And that is it for today's dumpling kitchen. I love you and bye. Bye bye. By the way, I even burnt my stomach because of these. Can you see that? Can you see how I burnt my stomach?
How did you burn your stomach?
Look, I burnt my stomach. It actually hurts a lot.